We'll look at a few of the top entry-level DSLR cameras under budget in this video so you may choose wisely and get started with photography.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Canon EOS Rebel T7. Beginners looking for a low-cost DSLR camera that combines high-quality performance with user-friendly features will find the Canon EOS Rebel T7 to be an exceptional option. This camera, which has a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, is ideal for beginners in photography as it produces beautiful photographs with remarkable clarity and detail. The Rebel T7's sophisticated hybrid CMOS AF3 autofocus system is one of its most notable features. Fast and precise focus is offered by this method, which is especially helpful while shooting in live view or catching moving scenes. From landscapes to portraits, the 19-point cross-type AF system guarantees that you get precise focus in every situation. The vari-angle 3-inch touchscreen LCD, which improves use and enables more imaginative shooting angles, is another feature of the Canon EOS Rebel T7. Even for new users, changing the camera's settings and seeing photographs is simple thanks to this touchscreen interface. Another level of ease is provided by the touch-to-focus feature, which lets you concentrate precisely with a single tap of the screen. On number 2, we have Nikon D5000 camera. When looking for a low-cost DSLR camera, beginners should definitely consider the Nikon D5000. The D5000, which is well known for its solid build and adaptable capabilities, makes the switch to DSLR photography easy. Its 12.3 MP DX format CMOS sensor produces excellent pictures with remarkable detail and perfect color rendition. The D5000's 11-point autofocus system with 3D tracking, which keeps subjects in perfect focus even during action-packed moments, is one of its most notable features. Additionally, the camera has a number of scene modes, which are especially helpful for novices who want to experiment with different shooting techniques without having to manually modify settings. The vari-angle LCD screen of the Nikon is a noteworthy feature that allows for creative setups and shooting from unusual angles. Beginners can more easily play with various angles and framing strategies thanks to this versatility, which improves their overall shooting experience. This camera also has HD video recording capabilities, which gives aspiring videographers a great platform to develop their skills. The camera can record in 720p, which is not as high quality as more modern models, but is still good enough for simple video projects. On number 3, we have Canon EOS Rebel T7. When it comes to affordable DSLRs, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a clear winner, especially for novices looking for a simple yet capable camera to get them started in photography. Its 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor works in tandem with the DJI-C4 Plus image processor to provide detailed and colorful photos in a range of lighting scenarios. Although less sophisticated than more sophisticated versions, the 9-point autofocus mechanism is still adequate for everyday shooting. Without being unduly complicated, this technique helps novices learn the fundamentals of composition and focus. Additionally, the Rebel T7 has a 3-inch LCD screen that makes it simple to check and modify settings while out and about. For individuals who are passionate about shooting videos, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 has full HD 1080p video recording capabilities. Novice filmmakers can experiment and hone their editing and video capture skills in this way. It's especially helpful to have integrated Wi-Fi and NFC capabilities because they make it easier to share photos and videos with other compatible devices or post them straight to social media. The Rebel T7 is made with novices in mind in terms of use. The interface of the camera is easy to use. It has a simple button layout and menu system. With a low learning curve and quick familiarity with the camera's features, novice photographers may start taking excellent pictures right away. So these are some of the best cameras to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.